Exercise 3.5 Solving the pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. Now we will see the first Roman letter, second subdivision. The given equations are 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. The first thing what we have to do, we have to bring all the terms to the left hand side. That is 2x plus 1y. This plus 5 is transferred to the left hand side as minus 5. Make it as equation number 1. And here 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. So we have to bring all the terms to the left hand side. X term, y term and constant term, everything should be brought to the left hand side. Okay. Now equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1 we can say A1 is 2, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 5. A2 is 3, B2 is 2 and C2 is minus 8. Now we have to check whether these two equations have unique. If it is unique solution only, we can go for solving by cross multiplication method. That is the question. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is 1 by 2 and C1 by C2 is minus 5 by 8. So when we compare, the condition for unique solution is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2, which means it has got a unique solution. So we can solve these two equations by cross multiplication. For cross multiplication method, what we have to do, first we have to write x, y and 1 over there. Okay, x, y, 1 you have to write, and then after that what you have to do, compare these two equations. For x, you have to leave these x terms and write the coefficients of y and constant term. That is 1, 2, minus 5, minus 8. So we have to write, leave some space, 1, 2, minus 5, minus 8 like this. Okay. Now when you come over to y term, we have to leave the y term. We have to write x terms and constant terms. So x is 2, 3 and the constant is minus 5, minus 8. So here already we have written minus 5, minus 8. We have to write x terms 2 and 3. And for constant term, we have to leave the constant term. We have to write the coefficients of x and y. So already we have written x term over there and write the y term, that is 1 and 2. Okay. So it is very simple. For x term we have to write coefficient of y and constant. For y term we have to write the coefficient of x and constant. And for the constant term we have to write the coefficients of x and y. Okay, this is how we have to write. Which means it is easy to remember. These two y terms will be repeated both the end. And here the constant and here it is x term. Okay. Now we have to go for multiplication, that is x divided by, this is called leading diagonal and this is called subdiagonal. So leading diagonal 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5. Okay, this is into, okay, is equal to y by leading diagonal minus 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2 is equal to 1 divided by leading diagonal 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Okay. Now we have to multiply. So x by, this is minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 is equal to y divided by minus 15. 3 into 5 minus 5 is minus 15 minus 8 into 2 is minus 16 is equal to 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into 3 is 3. Now we have to insert the minus symbol. So x by minus 8 plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. So the result is x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. Now we have to equate x term with the constant term. So x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Similarly y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So by cross multiplication we can get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So these are the two values. Now for first Roman letter, fourth subdivision, we have to check these two equations whether these two are unique solution. If it is unique solution, then we have to find the result by cross multiplication. If it is not a unique solution, then here itself we can write, since it is not a unique solution, other one we can just stop it. Now on comparison of these two equations, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 we have written. So by comparison, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So therefore it has got a unique solution. So by method of cross multiplication, we have to write x, y and 1 we have to write. So for x term, we have to leave the x terms 1 and 3, then remaining coefficients we have to write. That is minus 3, minus 7 and minus 15. For y term, we have to leave the coefficients of y, we have to write x and constant. So constant already we have written minus 7, minus 15. X term is 1, 3. Now for constant term, we have to leave constant term, we have to write x and y. So already we have written x over here, and y is minus 3, we have to write the coefficients. Now as usual, we have to go for x divided by leading triangle minus 3 into minus 15 minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to y divided by minus 7 into 3 minus 15 into 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Now we have to simplify. X divided by minus 3 into minus 15 is plus 45 minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21 is equal to y by, this is minus 21 minus 15. This is 1 divided by minus 3 minus of minus 9. Now we have to insert the minus symbol to the second term, that is 45 minus 21 and y by minus 21 plus 15, and here it is 1 by minus 3 minus of minus is plus 9. So 45 minus 21 is plus 24. So x by 24 is equal to y by minus x, because greater number symbol is minus, and here it is 1 by plus 6. Now we have to equate the x term with the constant term. So x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. By cross multiplication we will be getting x is equal to 4. And similarly y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. As a result we will be getting y is equal to minus 1. So value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Second Roman letter, first subdivision. There are two equations are given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So we have to check. It is given that these two equations have infinitely many solutions. Then we have to find the value of a and b. So infinitely many solution condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this is the condition for infinitely many solution. Now first let us write down the first equation. We have to bring all the terms to the left hand side. So that is the condition. So first equation becomes 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. For equation number 2, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus of 3a plus b minus 2, make it as a bracket, is equal to 0. Make it as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say a1 is equal to 2 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 7. Similarly for a2 is equal to a minus b, b2 is equal to a plus b and c2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Now we have to check with the condition. So a1 by a2, this is 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b is equal to minus 7 by minus of 3a plus b minus 2. So we can cancel this minus minus. Okay. So now we have to equate the fractions. Since these two are equal, we have to equate, that is 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. Similarly we can equate these two equations. That is 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now we have to go for cross multiplication. So 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. So we have to multiply each term. That is 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. As a result we will be getting 2a plus 2b minus 3a plus 3b is equal to 0. So equating 2a minus 3a will be getting minus 1a. 2b with plus 3b, that is plus 5b. So minus 1a plus 5b, there is no constant term, we have to add 0 is equal to 0. Make it as equation number 3. Similarly, when we cross multiply, that is 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. So we have to multiply each term with 3. So this is 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. We have to bring everything to the left hand side, that is 9a plus 3b minus 6 minus 7a minus 7b is equal to 0. Now grouping plus 9a minus 7a, that is plus 2a, plus 3b minus 7b, that is minus 4b, and minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. So we have to solve equation 3 and 4 by cross multiplication method. So for cross multiplication, we have to write equation 3 minus 1a plus 5b plus 0 is equal to 0, and equation 4 is 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficients are a, b. So we have written a, b and 1 over there. Now for a term, we have to write the coefficients of b and constant. So coefficient of b is 5 and minus 4. Constant term is 0 and minus 6. For b, we have to write a term and constant term. Constant term already we have written. So a term we have to write minus 1, 2. And for constant term, we have to write coefficients of a and b. So already we have written coefficients of a, and for b it is 5 and 4. It is very simple to remember. First we have to write the b term, then constant, then a term, then constant. So this is how we have to write. Okay. Now a by, this is 5 into minus 6 minus subdiagonal 0 into minus 4 is equal to b by 0 into 2 minus of minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus of 2 into 5. So this is a by minus 30 minus of 0, because 0 into any number is 0. And here it is b by 0 minus of plus 6 plus 1 by, this is plus 4 minus of 2 5s are 10. Now we have to simplify, that is a by minus 30 is equal to b by minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 6. Now we have to equate a by minus 30 with 1 by minus 6 and b by minus 6 with 1 by minus 6. So this is a is equal to minus 30 by minus 6. The result will be getting a is equal to 5. Similarly, b is equal to minus 6 by minus 6 is the result is 1. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1.